Okay, here we have an integration question starting with a beautiful picture of a graph, but we can ignore that to start with because all we've got to do is find this integral here. No limits on it yet, so we want just 4 terms, and then there's always something else on the end, which you shouldn't forget. Apply your chapter 7 rule for integrating powers of x. Something happens to the power, something else pops out in front. Do that for each term and pick up 4 marks. The first time they ask you to integrate, it will be generously marked on any given exam paper. Then we've got to apply that to find an area of a shaded region, and they've nicely drawn it for us. The reason why they've drawn it for us is because the area is above the x-axis in this particular instance, which is reassuring when we get an answer. All you need to do is set up the standard notation with the square brackets, pop the correct limits on. You can set up the integral with the limits on if you like, but it's the same integral as you've done here. Put the correct limits on, do the correct thing with those limits, something minus something else, get an answer out, and that should be the area. Because it's above the x-axis, it shouldn't need adjusting, and that should be 3 more easy marks.